Imagine being able to clone any voice or song.
Even using a famous singer's voice while adding your own lyrics.
If you think that's possible with Suno AI, think again. Suno AI doesn't allow cloning of famous voices.
But there's an AI that truly lets you unleash your creative sound.
That's right. Introducing MusicGPT, the AI tool that puts complete control of music in your hands. With the all-new advanced V6 model, it's faster, smarter, and more powerful than ever. Create sound effects, extend songs, remix tracks, swap vocals, add your own lyrics, basically, play with music however you want. Click the link in the description and jump right in. Once you're on the site, you instantly get 500 free credits to start creating your music right away. From there, you can choose to generate brand new music with custom instrumentals, add your own lyrics and instantly create a complete song. Now if you plan to create a YouTube channel like Lo-Fi Girl, which has gained over 15 million subscribers by posting simple lo-fi music, you can use the instrumental feature. Just type a prompt such as, create a soft lo-fi beat with warm vinyl crackle and chill, relaxing vibes. No vocals, and click create, you'll get your result instantly. Or, if you want a song with vocals, just switch to lyrics mode. Already have your lyrics? Simply paste them in. No lyrics yet? Relax, ChatGPT can write them instantly. But here's the best part. MusicGPT can generate lyrics for you automatically. Just hover over the icon, click Generate Lyrics, type your topic, hit Generate. And boom, your full lyrics are ready. Now simply click Create, and watch your song build in seconds. Once the song finishes, let's hit play.
You pull me in without a word, a rhythm I can't escape. Every heartbeat finds a...
And wow, the vocals, the flow, the beats, everything just blends perfectly. This sounds like a professional studio track. You'll notice the song is about 2 minutes and 53 seconds long. But if you want to extend it, add a verse, build a bridge, or stretch the ending. This is all you do. First download the song, then upload it back to MusicGPT. Switch to extend. Describe how you want it to continue, click create. And once again, your song comes back, extended, upgraded, and even more powerful. Now get ready for the most insane part. Imagine Justin Bieber singing your lyrics. Yes, your lyrics. Go to Tools, Create Anything, switch to Lyrics mode. Type something like, create a song using Justin Bieber's voice. Generate the lyrics, then create. And just like that, your song comes to life, sung in Justin Bieber's voice.
In the quiet of the night, I'm lost without you. Holding on to shadows, feeling so blue. I need your warm embrace.
You can also prefer Selena Gomez, Taylor Swift, or any other artist. Just replace the name in your prompt. MusicGPT handles the rest. Your lyrics, their voice, pure magic. But wait, it gets even cooler. You can keep the original instrumental of any song and replace the vocals with your own lyrics. Let's test it out. Go to Tools, select Song Over. Click Attach, choose YouTube link now. Paste the link of any song from YouTube. I'm picking one of the coolest Dua Lipa songs.
If you wanna run away with me, I know.
Now we're going to keep the exact same instrumental, but replace the vocals with brand new lyrics. Generate lyrics, click Create. And boom, your track is ready.
In the quiet of the night, I whisper sweet nothings. Let me hold your hand, let me touch your heart.
Listen to that, same instruments, same vibe, but with lyrics written by you. It feels like your own remix version of a hit song. And that's only the beginning. MusicGPT lets you experiment endlessly, new voices, new lyrics, new vibes, new emotions. It's like having a full music studio powered by AI. Let's say you don't have an idea for your next song. No problem. Down here, you can check lots of different music genres. Click on any genre, and you'll find many songs made entirely by AI. Let's listen to a few. It's like having your own AI-powered Spotify. Every song is completely generated by AI, and you can even check out the exact prompt behind each track, making it super easy to spark ideas for your next song. Try it now. The link is in the description. Go create your sound, your music, your identity. This is MusicGPT, and your imagination is the limit. Now let's talk about pricing and possible ways to make money. In the free plan, you get 500 free credits per month, including the advanced V6 model, which lets you generate up to 10 songs. But I recommend the Pro plan. It's the most popular, offering 300k credits per year and unlimited downloads. That's amazing value. And here's the exciting part. Even people with no music experience are earning money using this AI. If you head over to Explore, you can see how other users are creating songs and turning them into income. You can start a YouTube channel like Lofi Girl and earn money through YPP, or stream your music on Spotify, Apple Music, and Amazon to earn royalties every time someone plays your tracks. Your music literally works for you 24/7. You can even offer custom songs on Fiverr or take private commissions, creating music for clients, brands, or social media creators. The possibilities are endless. So why wait? Go explore and try it today, because the music industry is booming, and so many people are making money with this. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Try it now. That's all for today's tutorial. I'll be back with another exciting AI tool in the next video.